Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the sale record tied to the shipment. Sign into the merchant site or app, then open your recent orders. Once logged in, find the exact order date and number. Those details narrow results and reveal shipment updates. If you used email, search the sender in keywords like shipment or tracking. If you used SMS, open the message thread. Make sure to copy the order ID so you can cross-check with carrier pages next. Once you have the order record, look on the order details for a carrier name or a tracking link. Click the link. If only a number appears, copy it exactly including hyphens. If the merchant shows no tracking, contact support with the order ID and request the carrier and number. Many chatbots will return it immediately. Also check courier-specific notifications or apps by entering your order ID or email. This often finds shipments that the merchant hasn't linked yet. Now verify the tracking number on the carrier's official site or app so you see real-time status and delivery estimates. If the number returns no results, recheck every digit, wait up to 24 hours for activation, then try again. If still blank, ask the seller for shipment proof like a scan or receipt. Escalate with screenshots and timestamps if needed. Remember that regional carriers sometimes use different portals. Make sure you're on the correct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.